If you want your writing to sound clearer, smoother, and more professional, Grammarly can help you fix sentence formation in just a few simple steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to correct sentence formation on Grammarly, how to use the built-in suggestions, and how to choose the right edits without changing your meaning. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to app.grammarly.com in your browser. Once the page loads, you'll be taken to the Grammarly editor. From here, you can either start a new document or upload an existing file if you already have text you want to improve. If you want to begin from scratch, click New. If you already have something written, click Upload and import your document into Grammarly. After that, paste your text into the editor if needed. This is where Grammarly will begin analyzing your writing and looking for issues in sentence structure, grammar, clarity, and overall readability. The more text you add, the more suggestions you'll see, so it's a great way to review an entire paragraph, essay, email, or article all at once. Now, look at the suggestions on the right side or directly inside the text. Grammarly uses different colors to help you understand what needs fixing. The red underlines are for correctness. These usually point out grammar mistakes, spelling issues, punctuation problems, or sentence fragments. The blue underlines are for clarity. These are especially important if you want to correct sentence formation because they help you improve sentence structure, remove wordiness, and make your writing easier to read. If Grammarly highlights a sentence in blue, click on the suggestion to see the rewrite options. In many cases, Grammarly will offer a cleaner version of your sentence that sounds more natural and professional. You can accept the suggestion if it improves your message, or you can ignore it if you want to keep your original wording. The key here is not to accept every change automatically, but to review each suggestion carefully so your writing still sounds like you. If you see a sentence that feels awkward, too long, or confusing, Grammarly's clarity suggestions are where you should focus. These can help you break up run-on sentences, improve sentence flow, and make your meaning easier to understand. This is especially useful for students, writers, business emails, blog posts, and anyone who wants to communicate more clearly. You can also use Grammarly to compare your original sentence with the suggested correction. This helps you understand why the sentence was changed, so you can learn better writing habits over time. If you keep using Grammarly regularly, you'll start noticing patterns in your mistakes and naturally improve your sentence formation on your own. One helpful tip is to work through your document section by section instead of trying to fix everything at once. That way you can focus on one sentence at a time and make sure each correction actually improves the readability of your text. If a sentence is already clear, you may not need to change it. But if it sounds clunky, passive, or overly complicated, Grammarly can usually point you in the right direction. Another thing to remember is that sentence formation is not just about grammar. It's also about clarity, flow, and tone. Grammarly helps with all of that by showing you where your writing could be stronger. So whether you're fixing simple mistakes or polishing advanced writing, the tool gives you a fast and easy way to improve your content. And that's it. You now know how to correct sentence formation on Grammarly using the Correctness and Clarity tabs. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference in how polished and professional your writing sounds. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.